As filmmakers and content creators, we spend so many hours every week staring at our computer screens, chasing that perfect edit, tweaking those color wheels, and fine-tuning the timeline to a T. But sometimes you just need to step away and clear your mind. Close the laptop, grab the camera, get out of town, feel the sunlight, and hear the quiet. Let nature remind you why you fell in love with capturing little moments in the first place. Because creativity doesn't just live inside an editing timeline, it lives in the world around us. And in my experience, sometimes the next great idea or vision for a project comes when you step away from the edit and take a walk in the great outdoors.